Read the short story about the exemplary boss. Working 12 to 18 hours a day was not uncommon for scientists at the rocket launching station, Thumba. A group of such scientists was frustrated due to work pressure and meeting their boss demands. Meeting their boss demand means, what do you mean by that? ना बॉस मैंने जहाँ डिमांड करथिले ताको मीट करिया एते समय काम करथिले हाउएवर दे वर लॉयल टू हिम बॉस को पई लॉयल थिले लॉयल माने कोन हां कोन one day scientists gathered enough courage to go up to his boss and say, sir, I have promised my children that I will take them to the exhibition this evening. एग्जीबिशन प्रदर्शनी जो आसेनी पड़ेनी पड़िया प्रदर्शनी Sir, I have promised my children that I will take them to the exhibition this evening. Therefore, I have to leave the office at 5:30 p.m. Can I leave early today? Sir, say agree. Request kala. His boss replied, all right, you may leave early today. Boss bhi koi dala. The scientist was happy for having received the permission and went on to continue his work. He stayed on to work after lunch and as always got so engrossed in his work, that he peered at his watch. Peered at माने देखिवा देखिला peering है ना only when he thought he was done. Okay. Unfortunately, it was past 8:15 p.m. Okay. माने 8:15 p.m. को पास कर चले. Okay. With a jolt, hardbody, he remembered his promise to his children. He looked for his boss, who was not in his office, having told him just that morning. He wrapped up work and hurried home. Okay? Yes. Having told him just that morning. Okay? He looked for his boss. Look for mane kono? Bujila. His boss who was not in his office, having told him just that morning. He wrapped up work and hurried home. The boss पळे जाइछि हला आज he drove home. He felt very guilty for having let his children down. When he reached, the children were not at home. His wife was busy reading. He felt that initiating any conversation with her would only add fuel to fire. So he stayed quiet. Chup rahegala. Looking up at him, his wife asked, "Do you want something hot to drink or have dinner right away?" से कहला खाइबो कि पूरा पचाला. The man could only ask. से खाली एतिकी ताऊ पचाला. Where are the children? His wife said, "Don't you know? Your boss came here at 5:15 p.m. Okay. The boss पड़े and took children to the exhibition you had promised to take them to. ताको exhibition को सीए ही नहीं जाइछि. ताको. He was surprised, but it did not take him too long to guess what had happened. Okay. It did not take him too long to guess what had happened. The boss granted him permission, had observed him working very seriously well past 5 p.m. 5 p.m. ପରେ ସେ କାମ କରୁଛି ଦେଖିଲା ତା boss. He must have thought that scientists would not leave the work half done. Scientist ଟା ତ ସେ ଜୀବନ ଅଧା କାମ କରିକିରି, but it has promised, but if he has promised his children a visit to the exhibition, then they deserve it. ପିଲାମାନେ ତ ଯିବେ ନା. So he took the lead in taking them to the exhibition himself. Boss ନିଜେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲେ. Okay, he took the lead. The boss does not have to do it every time, but once it is done, loyalty is established. Boss does not have to. Boss कौन एमती सबले करिवो कि? नहीं. बेले बेले से करिवो. हैला. जत्ते बेले करला भी तेटा ये. अच्छा. No wonder all scientists at Thumba continue to work under this boss, in spite of the great pressure. This boss was none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. तेणु तो लास्ट टा कौन लिखिचु? He learned that his boss had kept his appointment for him.